We're about to rappel down the side of this mountain.
Wow. I'm like taken back in time right now.
We don't know
where are we going?
We don't know where we're going right now, so we gotta pull over and figure that out.
This is officially our first full day in Oregon. We have made it to the Oregon coast. We're headed to Natural Bridges. Reed has never been.
It looks like a really pretty hike, and that's a unique part of Oregon's coast.
It's busy.
All right, it's time to go view some natural bridges. These bridges were built with no artificial ingredients. They are fully 100% natural.
We got dad jokes McGee over here. And it's up and ready to go. All right, let's get this front one.
Well, I edited a lot of footage from here when Denise was on her trip, and she's been taking me down memory lane for the last 48 hours. So it is nice to be here and see it from my own eyes. So now when we come back, she can say, "Hey Timmy, I came here with Reed." I did come here with myself once, and it was way more fun by myself. Let's go check it out. So there's an artificial sign that's going to lead us to a natural bridge.
I think he's going to be doing this joke the whole way. So just buckle up, folks. Here's the first viewpoint. This brings back good memories. I was a young adventuress by myself, making my way through this forest. This right here is the best view in this area, hands down. It is windy, so windy. I don't think I can cross that bridge. I'll look from here. You holding me?
You need a strap on you.
Oh my gosh. You can't beat this.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Denise, you did a very good job walking across that bridge. I'm staying back here. I don't do heights. I'm barefoot. She said, "You don't have any traction." I said, "That's what your toes are for."
When I saw Reed in flip-flops, I was so upset. Like, this is not a hike for flip-flops. The scariest part of the bridge was getting to the side with the rocks. He was like, "Denise, turn around, come back." And I was like, "I can't, Reed, give me a second."
All you do is this. Says the guy that wasn't out there.
Yeah, you would have freaked out.
I told her she was clinging to the rock like this.
Which is just not true. I was not shaking like that whatsoever. You would have shit your pants. One more stop in this area, and that is to Secret Beach. Secret Beach is supposed to be really incredible. Well, actually, I would know, because I've been there.
Oh, really? We didn't know. We had no idea you've been to every place on the coast down here.
Oh, now he's piping out. No, but someone said online that they always see seals when they're here, and there's supposed to be starfish. Who knows what else?
If you haven't been to the Oregon coast, you're missing out.
Sometimes I wonder what draws people to certain areas, and I'm so happy that you and I are on the same page about this area being so special. What is your favorite climate? Like, what kind of areas make you come alive? I'm just curious what you all have to say.
We're about to rappel down the side of this mountain.
All right, here I go.
Oh Lord. Really hold on tight. How is it?
It's not bad, but really, like, You gotta go slow. I made it! You did it!
Probably look so scared. I was wrapping the rope around my hand so that way it was like knotted down, knotted down.
When I think about yesterday.
Made it to Secret Beach, here we are.
My oh my,
I think during low tide you can go through this rock up here.
my oh my.
Definitely not now.
A kiss, and so I did.
I think that's another reason it's called Secret Beach, is that the beach opens up way more at low tide, but we are definitely not here during low tide.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you.
We are about halfway back to the car. After we get back to the car, we are just gonna be buckling up and settling in to about a 4-hour drive. We are headed to some really beautiful hot springs. We will be going there in the morning, so unless something really cool pops up, we'll just check in with you tomorrow morning. We'll see you then. Coffee made. Time to get to the hot springs. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I haven't been to a hot springs in quite a long while.
It is cold, which is gonna make the water feel so much better.
It's a workout, you didn't tell me it was a hike.
It is a bit of a hike. It's steep. There are different pools with different temperatures.
Nice.
I don't remember which one's which, but we made it.
It's a beautiful spot. Tranquilo.
Feels good. It's a beautiful view. They vary in temperature, so you can kind of pick and choose, mix and match which one you want to be in. Natural hot springs are the best. I love.
So we're in our second pool of the day, and it's a little bit warmer. You can see the river a little bit better, and you can see other pools down below. I see why this place is so popular. It's a very unique place.
We're heading out to Bend, Oregon.
Feel relaxed and recharged. Feel zen.
All right, see you back.
We're getting very close to Bend. We just passed one of the roads that goes down to descend on Bend. A lot of emotions, excitement. We had a great time here 2 years ago. We met a lot of cool people. To have good memories here, come back, it's always a good feeling.
I'm starting to get like butterflies. I don't know why. It's kind of like the butterflies I got before I got to descend on Bend, but like I'm excited to be back here again. It also means that we're just that much closer to getting to Canada. The last standing Blockbuster is here in this town. Is it over here? Yeah, right here.
I just really want to see if they have any Dragon Ball Z videos, because I used to come to Blockbuster all the time as a kid and rent every Dragon Ball Z movie or show that they had available. It's probably the most nostalgic thing for me about Blockbuster. I know they sell like merch and stuff here. It's like a museum. Props to Ben for keeping Blockbuster alive.
Blockbuster, baby.
You gotta get a selfie out front of it. Ready?
Wow. I'm like taken back in time right now. This house is a prison! Rule number 1 about Fight Club. Who else had one of these? This was the OG gaming system. I loved having mine so much, and then it broke. I think a friend of mine broke it on accident, and I was devastated, so heartbroken. This is my area, the Marvel area. Maybe not nerd status fully, but I'm pretty close.
Be kind, rewind.
I have not seen a VHS tape in like 20 years. Armageddon, Mission Impossible, oh my gosh. Is it the first one? What, there's like 15 Mission Impossibles out now? This is like nostalgia on steroids right now.
Oh yeah, that's butter popcorn. That'll take you back to the movie. It smells just like butter popcorn. I'm like,
Give them a smell.
the salt and everything. I kind of want to get this. I've never smelled a candle that smelled more accurate.
It
Literally smells like an AMC or like movie night, any place, really an AMC where they're turning out massive amounts of popcorn.
Yeah, that's movie night.
My brother actually watched the documentary about this place and he's like, oh, Katie and I are gonna have to come out here and check it out.
I didn't even know there was a documentary on this place, but it makes sense.
Get you this outfit.
Nah, let's get it for you.
Head to toe. I don't know, I think you look good in it.
I kind of want this fanny pack. I'm not gonna lie, I want the fanny pack.
Found their anime section. They don't have any Dragon Ball Z though.
But they do have some of my favorites.
What do you like this one?
Princess Mononoke. Love this movie. Who else was on the Hayao Miyazaki train like me? I got Reed involved, Spirited Away. You watched Princess Mononoke with me, right?
Yeah, this looks like another one from him, yeah.
Did you ever watch My Neighbor Totoro?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's watched My Neighbor Totoro, right? Thumbs up if you like that movie.
I watch this movie.
They're all rentals.
Who even has a DVD player anymore?
Yeah, we couldn't even watch it even if we wanted to. The nostalgia's real. I almost got a shirt, but next
What kind
time.
of mat? Blue and yellow.
We're already the Blockbuster colors.
There we go.
It's so funny. It's like we knew we were coming here today. This was fun. We are here. We outie through Saudi. They should have somewhere where you write down your favorite Blockbuster memory. And I was thinking you all should share your favorite Blockbuster memory in the comments.
Who else got grounded for late fees from Blockbuster for not returning the disc and losing it?
Those late fees though.
That's how they made their money.
That's totally how they made their money. Those summer nights with friends?
Yeah.
Or you just would
And they
watch
were-
endless movies?
They were monopoly for a long time. 9,000 stores. I mean, they were everywhere. Pretty much every American of that time was affected by Blockbuster if you wanted to watch movies or play video games.
Right.
Oh, how the mighty have fallen.
I know, it's the last one. I'm glad at least there's one in the world.
In an alternate universe, Blockbuster bought Netflix and then just made it Blockbuster streaming or something. It's like,
Totally.
and we all watch Blockbuster. We all have a Blockbuster streaming account.
Time to shower.
I feel unbreakable.